Hello everybody, welcome to another video of Andrew and Nicole. Today we're going to unbox the Logitech Z333 2.1 speakers for my computer. Now I recently built a new computer and my old speaker that has been with me for the last 10 years is already broken. So I bought this from Shopee for an amount of 1,600 pesos or roughly about less than $50. Okay, so I got it on sale in Shopee to so I got a 200 peso discount. Okay, so we're going to unbox this one and going to show you what's inside and what's included. Now, the Logitech Z333 actually is an old type of speaker, but it's very, very popular. In fact, it sold thousands. So they say the sound quality is good, and I'm not looking to spend much more than $100 for a good, decent speaker. Okay, so let's go. Now the packaging is well made. The packaging is well made and it makes sure the box is safe without any dents or whatsoever. Now Logitech has many models of speakers, so this is one of those basic ones, but even though it's a basic speaker, it's, according to reviews, it's a good speaker. Okay, so the Logitech speaker that I'm unboxing is actually a 2.1. So you have a left and right and a subwoofer. My old speaker actually is a lab tech speaker. I got that speaker early 2000, so it's already 2020. So I think it's more than 20 years. It has served its purpose. So thank you very much for that. Now I'm going to get a new one, and hopefully this will last me for the next 5 to 10 years. Alright, so let's take a look at the box before we open it up. So as you can see, in the box, you have the 2 speakers and subwoofer and a mini control knob, a small one. This one, to control your volume. And it has a audio headphones that you can plug in directly from the control. Let's take a look at the back. So this one is around 80 watts in total power. So feel free to pause the video if you want to see the box more. Okay, from the sides. And on this one. Okay, so unfortunately, even though with the well bubble wrap package, we still had damage in the box, but hopefully the contents inside is okay. So I am a fan of Logitech. Actually, I have several items from Logitech, from mouse to keyboard to even now speakers. Okay, so this is the content. So it works with any sources that has left and right RCA cables. So you have the power adapter here, the head for different countries. So as you notice, this is packaged for different kinds of countries. So since I am living in the Philippines, so I'll be using a plug like this one, okay, the US plug. So let's look at what else is inside. So you have some basic instruction manuals, and have these are the speakers. Okay. These are desktop speakers. They're very small, but it packs some power in it. So these are the left and right speakers. So no more, nothing else in the box. So let's bring out the subwoofer. Okay. So most people ask, where do you put your subwoofers? Normally, you put your subwoofers on the floor. Low frequency audio are usually omnidirectional, meaning they can be placed anywhere. So you have this subwoofer here. You can put it on the floor, and the low frequencies will still travel equally. Okay, so let's open up the satellite speakers. So this is one speaker and another. It doesn't say if it's left or right, but you have color coding on the cable. Okay, you have color coding here. Okay, so it's one is blue, one is black. So it will correspond to the inputs at the back. Okay, so one black and one blue. So just plug it there, and it says here the black one is the right speaker and the blue one is the left speaker. Now you can also plug in other inputs. Okay, so you have here the RCA inputs, red and white. Okay, so it should also come with this one. Okay. So let's look at the subwoofer. So you have the subwoofer here, okay, and here at the back. Okay, so you have the volume for your bass from minimum to maximum depending on your choices, your preference. Okay, so how do you connect this together? So you basically plug in the blue ports here and the black ports on the other side. And the other end, let me just remove these. Okay, these are so you have these long cables. So one goes to the other, the control. This is where you control the volume. So this goes to your desk. Okay, so it feels very good. You have a knob. The on-off switch, and the 3.5mm headphone jack if you need to connect using your headphones. No need to reach all the way at the back. And of course the volume rocker up and down, left. You can turn it left and right. Okay, and it fits nicely on the table, so you can adjust accordingly. Now on the other side of that cable, you also have this one. This is the 3.5mm jack. Okay, this is where you plug it in the back of your computer or in anywhere that you need the 3.5mm jack. And of course, this is the power outlet. Let me just connect the Let me just connect this one very easily, very quickly. So just plug and play, and you have the adapter. There you go. So you have this one plugged in already. So plug this in your power, plug this in your computer, and of course you can control the volume. Now, the one thing that I do not like about this kind of setup is the control is hardwired at here. So in case your desk does not have any holes, or you don't have any way to remove this one to at least route for cable management, and it's hardwired here at the subwoofer level, so you cannot actually adjust this one anymore. So I hope that in the future Logitech will be able to give us a modular setup for you to adjust the different cablings. Okay, so yeah, basically that's the subwoofer and the speakers. So left, other side, left and right, like that. And you have the controls hanging in front of you there. So I do hope that this simple unboxing was very helpful to you. If you're considering buying this Logitech speaker, based on reviews, and this has been tested already. This is an old model, a tried and true model actually. So if you want to buy, I'll put all the links down below, and you can click those links and use it so that we can support the channel. All right, so with that, please do like and subscribe this simple video, and give us a thumbs up if you found this helpful, and please support the channel by subscribing all the more. Okay, so thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye bye. Single word, 'cause you got me holding, even if my jokes don't